is where everything begins. The cornea, the clear front layer of your eye. It's like a protective window, perfectly curved to help focus light. Every blink keeps it smooth and hydrated, so the world stays sharp.
When light hits the cornea, it bends, a process called refraction. That gentle curve focuses the light toward the center of your eye. Even the smallest change in shape can alter how clearly you see.
The center of the iris is the pupil, the opening that decides how much light enters your eye. In bright light, it shrinks to protect your vision, and in dim light, it widens so you can see more. It reacts in milliseconds.
Together, the iris and pupil act like a team, adjusting in perfect sync to balance how much light your eyes take in. That focus beam then moves deeper toward the lens, where your vision really begins to sharpen.
Passing through the pupil, light meets the lens, a clear, flexible structure that fine-tunes every image you see. It bends light just enough to focus it perfectly on the back of your eye.
Tiny fibers and muscles around the lens are constantly at work. When you look at something close, they tighten and make the lens rounder. When you look far away, they relax and the lens flattens.
Behind the lens is a clear gel called the vitreous body. It keeps your eye round and lets light pass through cleanly on its way to the back. Tiny floating particles drift inside, but this space stays crystal clear.
As light travels through the eye, it finally reaches the retina, a thin, living layer of tissue lining the back wall. This is where all the magic begins. Close, the retina is packed with millions of tiny cells called rods and cones. Rods help you see when the lights are low. Cones, on the other hand, bring color and fine detail into the picture.
Here, millions of tiny signals travel through the optic nerve to your brain, where light becomes sight. Every image you see starts as a spark inside your eyes.